Good evening, I'm Aria. Our lead story tonight, Houston, we have an asteroid. That's right, NASA is about to visit a metal-rich space rock called Psyche for the first time ever. After years of planning, they're set to launch a spacecraft this week on a mission to solve the mystery of Psyche's origins. This weird world is made up of 60% metal, leading scientists to believe it could be the iron core of an ancient almost planet. The spacecraft launching this week is equipped with cameras, instruments, and even lasers to study Psyche once it arrives in 2029. But first it has to complete a 3.5 billion-mile journey, including a pit stop by Mars for a gravity boost. NASA will livestream the launch this Thursday, so all you space nerds can watch from home in your Spock ears and Kirk embroidered jammies. Just don't forget to mute the video if you're feeling bold and want to provide your own overdramatic countdown commentary. 10, 9. We have liftoff of the Asteroid mission, Godspeed Psyche spacecraft. Anyway, this first-of-its-kind mission will hopefully reveal valuable clues about how our planetary neighborhood came to be. Just don't forget to clean your room first, space can wait. Subscribe for future content. If you found this helpful, like and comment.